Hey everyone, welcome to an episode of Crypto Corner. This is a quick tutorial that I will be showing you here how to connect your Metamask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. By default, Metamask is coming connected to Ethereum main network, and there are a few other test nets and things like that, but Binance Smart Chain is not actually in that list. So there are a couple of things that you need to follow, and I will take you through the steps here. I'm not going to explain to you what Metamask is or how to download and install Metamask. I will assume that you're already familiar and you have maybe used Metamask in the past. Now you want to use it with Binance Smart Chain, possibly because of the low fees and certain coins and things that are available on PancakeSwap, for instance, that are maybe not available on Uniswap or other Ethereum-based dexes or applications. So if you want to connect Binance Smart Chain, it is very simple, very easy. This is the tutorial for you. Let's get started. Okay, so before I start, this is my blog where I actually posted these instructions, and I will be referring to this blog because here I will need to use these parameters that I will need to enter in order to configure everything correctly. This is also posted on Binance's official blog. This is the post, and this is where I actually have these from. This is where I've taken them from. So both of these links will be in the description below. You can either use my post or the Binance official post. It's fine both ways. In my post, it's a little bit simplified, and I've only used the parameters for the mainnet, and on the official Binance post, they actually have parameters for mainnet and for testnet, which for many people could be a bit confusing. So let's get started. First, I'm going to open my Metamask. Hopefully you've already set it up and you've downloaded it, you've set it up, you know how to use it. You have to enter your password in order to unlock your wallet, and then from here, first of all, I can select different wallets, so I can have more than one, and here is where I actually navigate for the different networks. So Ethereum mainnet is by default, at least for me, it is by default. There are a few other ones, but you can see here that the Binance Smart Chain is not actually listed. So what I will need to do is I will need to enter this manually. So let's click here, and now I'm prompted to enter these details for the network. I'm coming to my own post, and I will be copying this from here. All right, so let's do that. First, I'm entering Smart Chain here for the network name. Then I have to enter this URL here. Okay, let's paste this. I'm not typing anything. I'm pasting everything just to be on the safe side, so that I don't make any mistakes. I don't leave any room for mistakes. 56 is the chain ID, and then I have a currency symbol, which is BNB, and the block explorer URL. It's also optional, but I do have it, so why not? Let's just paste everything that we have. After that, I will hit save, and that's it. So now I have this added to my networks. It's called Smart Chain, and from here I can now choose to connect to this, or I can go back and connect to the Ethereum mainnet. It's fine either way. So this is Ethereum mainnet. If I click here and I go to Smart Chain, now I'm getting this welcome message here: swap on Binance Smart Chain, start swapping. And here inside Metamask, I can actually already operate with Binance Smart Chain. I can actually start swapping different tokens straight away. For instance, this is BNB, and I can select USD Tether. I can do this swap here inside Metamask. Bear in mind, the fees will be slightly higher than some of the competition out there, but if you want to make it easier, faster and everything, then you can just do it straight away here. All kinds of different swaps of different tokens that are currently available. Of course, these will be changing over time, so I'm not going to go through the different options that I currently have. Depending on when you're watching this video, this could be quite different from what you're seeing right now. Alright, well, this was it. It's a really simple and quick process. As you know, the links that you need are in the description below. Also, make sure that you check out the other links that I included in there. I included the links to the top wallets, top exchanges, all my top tools for analyzing the market and charting and everything. It's all in there. And also, if you like this video, show your support by leaving a like and a comment below. This is everything from me. Now, before I go, a quick message from our sponsors. This episode is sponsored by Token Metrics, one of my top tools for market analysis and for finding little-known altcoins before they blow up. You can get 10% discount when you sign up with the link in the description below, and you can give it a test run for a week before you commit to a long-term plan. They publish detailed analysis on their website, Telegram groups, and via emails directly to your inbox, plus weekly webinars for all members where they go deeper in the technical analysis of the most profitable coins.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams.